Hey man, why you cutting my shit like that?
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, I'm Miata Mike, back again with another beautiful video, and today we are putting on a brand new muffler. Yes, this is the Becker Performance muffler. This is gonna sound so sick, guys. I love the tips. I love the way it looks. The welds are just perfect on here. You guys are gonna love it. I'm gonna love it. Getting the oil change today, and we have a mid-pipe coming in just 2 hours, so it's gonna be a pretty good day. New muffler, new mid-pipe, and a header probably next month, but I still don't know which one I want yet. That is still to be determined, but I hope you guys have a great day and stay tuned. Alright, we're looking good.